Okay, what are the benefits of going vegan?
So it's an opportunity for you to give your body a reset, right? So the same way that most people are trying to do dry January or just implement some kind of healthy change in the new year, this gives you an opportunity to celebrate plants, maybe reduce the amount of animal protein that you're consuming, whether that's for health purposes or environmental conditions, which should all be worried about, right? And also for ethical reasons, right? So whatever it is that you decide, let's celebrate plants and let's try to reduce some of the animal protein and substitute it for something else.
What are some easy fixes? Because some people hear the term vegan, they're like, oh, it sounds like a lot.
Yes. So I always recommend do it at your own pace. Do it slow. Maybe in the mornings with your cafecito, your coffee in the morning, you swap out the cow milk for some almond milk or soy milk, right? Or maybe you can swap out a beautiful dessert utilizing different types of ingredients, which we're going to talk about today. And it's just go with the flow, do what feels right, and don't feel like you have to do it all overnight, right? It's just a celebration of plants. Let's just incorporate something a little bit different.
Do you hear this? Don't go head first.
Head first. Did you hear that? When she said cafecito, you drink your Café Bustelo black.
My Bustelo. No, I drink my Bustelo with oat milk. I drink it with oat milk. My family's like, oh, you're not Puerto Rican anymore, but I don't care. You brought, speaking of desserts, 3 beautiful dishes that are vegan.
Yes, so we're gonna play a game. I wanted to challenge the both of you. And a lot of people think, well, maybe I'll miss the meat, or oh, it's not gonna taste that good. But I'm here to debunk the myth and to show you that it really is delicious, and you can replicate your favorite dishes in a vegan way that doesn't sacrifice taste or culture. We're gonna talk about that in a little bit. Let's start off with this is the fried chicken sandwich. So I want you guys to try a piece and tell me which one do you think is vegan and which one do you think is not vegan.
Wait.
Whatever this is, it's delicious.
Very good.
I'm a loud chewer all of a sudden.
Yeah, what happened here?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go with this one being vegan. Just by the look of it.
But what about the taste?
I can't tell the difference in taste.
This is vegan. This is animal. They're both delicious. I would also say the vegan one is more delicious than this one. And I'm not saying this because I know you.
Yes, absolutely. So
what is
you
this?
guess what that
mushroom?
is? Yes, these are oyster mushrooms, and this is.
I was gonna say, tell me which one has mushroom in it, because I'm definitely allergic. I'm just kidding.
Oh my goodness!
I'm just kidding.
Me with the EpiPen. Oyster mushrooms.
So these are oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are a really great way to get a meaty texture. So if you're giving up chicken, if you're giving up pork, if you're giving up steak, they have a meaty consistency that absorb all the flavors that you give it, and they make a delicious alternative similar to the one that we did today. So you won't miss the meat, and you'll still enjoy something that's delicious, lower in calories, lower in fat.
Good for everybody.
And
let's get to this dessert because he's been eyeing it since 7 o'clock.
So this is a chocolate pudding. Can you guess which one's vegan, which one's not vegan?
While I'm tasting,
that's good.
You at home, see that QR code? Do yourself a favor and scan it. It's going to bring you to all the recipes.
Absolutely.
This one is delicious.
This is very good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to say, oh my God, they're really good. This one is vegan?
Oh, wow.
Which one? I'm going this one vegan.
I think this is vegan. I think
you can't tell.
Vegan, not vegan?
The opposite.
This one's vegan,
this one's not vegan.
Really?
This is vegan?
Yes.
What's the difference?
So the difference is that one of them uses egg yolks and heavy cream. And the other one uses silken tofu.
Oh, God.
Tell us how you really feel.
Yes, yes. Were you not a tofu lover? Because I think I just converted you.
You did? I'm going to go back for another bite because now I got to try it again.
So
I'm so sorry. It's his first time on television.
So tofu comes in different textures, right? We have silken tofu, we have extra firm tofu, and we have firm tofu. They don't taste like anything, which similar to mushrooms.
Tofu takes the flavor of what it's around.
Exactly. So if you're substituting saucy things like Alfredo sauces.
Do a silken tofu.
Do the silken tofu.
If I don't know it's tofu, I will love it. So if I see the tofu, I don't want it. But
there
now
you go.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so this is an homage to our Boricua roots, Marisol. What do you think?
Boricua.
Vamos.
These are piononos puertorriqueños, which is just cups of sweet plantain stuffed with, traditionally, with chopped meat, or in this case, a vegan alternative.
This is the one with carne. I already know.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my God.
What's the substitute? That's delicious.
Can you guess?
Olives?
Tofu.
Tofu.
Yeah, I'm out.
As he goes in for another bite. Oh my God. Thank you for bringing me lunch.
Yeah, good.
I hear you
And
don't
dessert
like. I hear
and
you
snack.
don't like tofu, so this is all for me. Thank you. Thank you very little.
They're delicious, though. They're both delicious.
So
Karla,
delicious.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
That was
much.
great.
Such
Wonderful
a
to
pleasure
have you.
feeding you guys. And now you know that you can enjoy recipes vegan or not vegan.
And now you like tofu.
I do.
And now you love tofu.
You converted
Do
me.
yourself a favor, pick up a copy of the cookbook Abuela's Plant-Based Kitchen wherever you get your books.